Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we continue learning about interior angle. Here is my problem about this question about this topic. Sometimes you will have a question like this: the polygon with 10 sides. Okay, so the first question you will be asked about what is the sum of interior angle? What is the sum of interior angle? And question B, what is the sine of each interior angle? Each interior angle. Okay. So how can you do this? How can you do this? The sum of interior angle is okay. This is very easy for you now because you already know about the formula. You got n negative 2 multiply 180 degree, and for this side you got polygon with 5 sides. It means n equal to 5. So 5 negative 2 and multiply 180 degree like this. Okay, so this is 3 multiply 180, you got 540 degree. 540 degree. So that is the sum of interior angle. So what is each interior angle? You can imagine this in your mind. You have a polygon like this, 5 sides, and of course you have a 5 interior angle. Interior 1, interior 2, 3, 4, and 5. So when you have n equal to 5, it means you have 5 sides. It means you have 5 angles. 5 angles. So the total of 5 angles is here. The total of 5 angles. So you want to find each interior angle? That's very easy. You can calculate by take the sum divide by the total interior angle. Divide by the total interior angle. This is divided by 5. So 108 is the interior angle. Is the interior angle. This means we tell you. This means 108 for this angle, 108 in this angle, 108, 108, and 108. Each side in this polygon, each side in this regular polygon, you will have 108 degree. But the most important for this question is this is polygon. This is not normal polygon. This have to be regular polygon. When you have regular polygon, you will have all side of this polygon will be equal, and then all angle of this side will be equal. So remember for this question, 5 sides is mean 5 angle. You find the sum and then you divide by the total of angle. You will have each interior angle. Example 2. Regular polygon with 8 sides. Sum of interior angle, that is question 1. Find each interior angle, this is question 2. Okay, so for this question, you can see here the sum of interior angle, that is a formula you can apply. N negative 2 and then multiply 118 here. That is very easy. Okay, that's very easy. You can write down like 8 negative 2 and multiply 180 degree in here. So this is 6 multiply 180, you got 1080. That is a total of interior angle. Yeah, the regular polygon with 8 sides is mean 8 angle. So here is the total of 8 angle. So you want to find one angle. You want to find one angle, interior angle. This is very easy. you take this one, divide by 8. This is not divide by 5. This is not divide by 5 because in the last exercise you divide by 5 because this polygon have 5 angles. But now I've got 8 angles, so I will divide by 8. I will divide by 8. So divide by 8, you got 135 degree. 135 degree. That's all. Yeah, 2 questions. But the main point here you should understand. You should understand when the question asks you about sum. When the question asks you about sum, you can apply. You just apply the formula. But when you have h, when the question asks you about h interior angle, don't forget divide. Don't forget divide. Okay. So the total, the sum of interior angle is n negative 2 multiply 180 degree like this. But when you want to find h, you should remember you got n side. It means you got n angle. Example, when I give you a polygon with 3 sides, it means you got 3 angles in that polygon. When n equal to 5 sides, it means you have 5 angles in that polygon. So if you want to find h, you take total or you take sum of all interior angle, and then you do what? And then you take divide by n. So this is formula about h. This is formula about h interior angle. That's very easy and easily for understanding. Yeah. Okay. So something in here, you take the sum, you divide by h. You take the sum and then you divide by h. Okay. Last example in this video. For this question, we only have one question. Polygon, regular polygon with 12 sides, h interior angle. That's all. So you should not apply immediately the formula about h. You can take understanding about the main point of this question. The main point of this question is you can understand the side of this one is 12. You got 12 sides. It means you have 12 angle. It means you have 12 angle. So you want to find the sum of interior angle first. You take n negative 2 and then multiply 180 degree like this. So here is 12 negative 2 and then 180 degree. So you got the sum of this is 180 degree in here. And after this, you will have h. How can you find h? You take the sum, divide by 12 angle. That's all. Take this one, divide by 12 angle. That's all. And the question here is, the answer here is 150 degree. Another way for find out the side of h interior angle for this question is you can apply the formula about h. The formula about h is very easy. It is n negative 2 multiply 180 degree and then divide by n. For n is 12 in this question, you got 12 negative 2 and multiply 180 degree and divide by 12, and of course you have the same answer like this. Okay. Oh, sorry. I will give you one more question. The last question in my video here is regular polygon with 10 sizes. H interior angle. Okay, so you can apply immediately the formula about H. You take sum and divide by angle. The first thing you should understand now, 10 side is mean you got 10 angle. So about H, it means about formula calculating H interior angle. You take the sum and then divide by the total of angle, like this. So because you got 10 sizes, it means 10 equal to n. Got here and got this one. Okay. And after this, you got 8 multiply 100 here and divide by 10. You will have 144 degree. 144 degree. Yeah, that's all. Okay. Revise a little bit about the total in this video. This one you will have the regular polygon with the sum, but the more advanced in this video I will tell you about H angle, interior angle, but you just calculating H if that polygon is regular. If this polygon is not regular, you should not apply for this question. You should not apply this formula. You cannot. Okay, just apply this one for regular polygon. Regular polygon. You have two ways for finding the side of interior angle, H interior angle. The first formula you can calculate the sum. You can calculate the sum of interior angle, and you understand the total of angle, and then you want to find H. You take sum divided by the total angles. Sum divided by total angle. Another way for find the side of H interior angle is you calculate H using this formula. They are the same. Okay. For this question, I apply immediately, and for this question, I calculate in two ways. Okay. Thank you so much, and see you in next time. Bye bye.